Hello, my dear students. I am very happy to meet you all again through this online class. I hope everybody remembers what we have learned in the previous classes. So, our first class was on the hierarchy of the universe, and the second class was on the planets in the solar system. Also, we have learned about each and every planet in the solar system in detail. So today we are just going to continue with the lesson, the universe and the solar system, in which we are going to cover the following subtopics. The first one is the dwarf planets, the asteroids, comets, meteors, meteorites and moon. Yes, all these are called the celestial bodies. So, what is a celestial body? First of all, we look into this. A celestial body can be defined as any natural body outside the Earth's atmosphere. So, they are called celestial body. So all these stars, sun, planets and everything are called the celestial bodies. And these bodies are also called as heavenly bodies. Because they are the objects which are present in space but not on the earth, and that is why we call them as heavenly bodies. So even in our previous slide we saw some of the names which are the dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, meteors, meteorites and moon. All these are the celestial bodies. So we are just going to look into each and every celestial body in detail. The first one is about the dwarf planets. What is a dwarf planet? So, the dwarf planets are small celestial bodies. They are found beyond the planet Neptune. So, we have 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. So, the first one is Pluto. And the second one is Ceres. And the third one is Eris. Fourth one is Makemake. And the fifth one is Haumea. These are the 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. And these planets are found beyond this planet, which is Neptune. Actually, these planets are extremely cold and dark. these planets share their orbit with other dwarf planets. And the next one is about the asteroids. Do you know what an asteroid is? Yes, asteroids are small solid objects that can move around the sun. So they move around the sun, but they are found in between the planet Mars and Jupiter. So here is where we can see the asteroid belt, which is found between the planets Mars and Jupiter. They are too small to be called as planets, and so they are also called as planetoids or minor planets. The next is a comet. What is a comet, children? You can see a beautiful picture here which has a head portion and a tail portion. A comet is also a celestial body made up of a head and a tail. And this head consists of solid particles held together by ice and the tail consists of gases. Halley's comet is the most famous comet which comes close to the Earth every 76 years. And it last appeared in 1986, and again it will appear in 2061. Flight. Next is about meteors in the sky. They are also called as shooting stars. A meteor is a stone-like or metallic body. So these meteors just burn in the atmosphere itself, and so they are called as meteors. But when these meteors which strike on Earth's surface, they are called as meteoroids, which will cause craters on the surface of the Earth. So craters are nothing but the depression caused on the surface of any planet by the meteors. And that is why they are called as meteoroids. And the last one is about our moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of our Earth. Yes, satellites are celestial objects which revolve even around the planets. So moon is the Earth's only satellite, as we all know, and it revolves around the Earth once every 27 days and 8 hours. It takes about the same time for it to complete one rotation around its own axis, and it has no atmosphere. And we all know that the meteors are the ones which causes the craters on the celestial bodies. The same way, we can find some of the craters on the surface of moon. They are caused by these meteors, and these meteors, when they strike the surface of the moon, they causes craters. The size of the moon is 1/4 of the earth. 1/4 of the earth, which is 1 part of earth, is what the actual size of the moon. Now I want you to have a look at the planets at a glance page in your textbook. You can see the mean distance from the sun and the revolution period of each and every planet in the solar system, also the rotation period of all the planets, as well as the number of moons each and every planet has. We all know that Earth has only one moon. Likewise, we can see the different characteristics of the planets in this page. So have a look at it, children, and we will discuss about this in the next class. Children, do you remember the question which was asked in the last class? Yes, the question was, why are we living on the planet Earth, not on any other planet? Have you found the answer for this? Right. We are living on Earth, not on any other planet, because not the other planets are as suitable as Earth to live on, and that is why we are living on planet Earth, where we have all the 4 spheres, where human can lead a peaceful life on Earth, but not on any other planet. Right, children? I hope you all have enjoyed today's class, and I want you to have a look at this page from your textbook and get ready for the next class. See you all, children. Till then, take care. Bye bye.